Welcome to Andrea's Kitchen. On the menu today, we're gonna do some fried chicken. I clean and season up some chicken, and I'm about to fry them. So right now, I dip them in some egg and I added some breadcrumbs to them. Yep, add some breadcrumbs and already has some in the pan. Let's go to the pan. You have some fried up in the pan here. Let's see if they need flipping. Andrea's fried chicken. Let's get some utensil to flip the chicken. We'll let it get a little bit more brown. Then we'll turn it. Okay, so now we're going to flip the chicken. We have 4 pieces of chicken in here. Okay, it's getting brown. Alright, we're flipping the chicken. Andrea's fried chicken made in Andrea's kitchen. Okay, let's turn the stove down a little bit. We have it up here. Let's turn it down. Made in Andrea's kitchen. And I'm checking out my chicken. I think they're good. I'm going to take them out. I'm going to add my second batch of chicken into the oil. And leave them a couple minutes, 3 to 5 minutes on each side until they reach the desired consistency that you need it to be. Then you flip it. Okay, I'm checking the second batch. They're not quite ready for flipping, but we're going to flip it a little. Then we'll come back to that side again. They're frying up. Yeah, we'll flip it for now, then we'll turn it again. This is Andrea's fried chicken made in Andrea's kitchen. Okay, I'm flipping the chicken back to its original side. Flip the script. Don't want them to get too dark. But I'm flipping the chicken back. It's getting nice and toasty. Some chicken thighs. I think the packet had 8 in it. 8 chicken thighs. Got 4 already down here. And the other 4 is in the pot. Okay, we're checking up on the chicken again. I think they're good right here. They're toasted on both sides. So I think I'm going to take them out now. Okay, I took all the chicken out the pan. There you go. Nice and toasty. See you again in Andrea's kitchen. Like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Tag a friend. See you again on my next upload. Have a blessed day. Thank you for watching.